the main menu located on the top left hand side. For it had a chance to play around with some of the menu items. You activate it by clicking on the name itself. File, for instance. You get new document, open document. We also have close the document, saving the document. Later on we'll talk about exporting our document. And you also have the print option and exit the entire program itself. I'm only pointing out some of the commonly used elements here. For instance, underneath edit, you perform something that you didn't intend to do, or you want to take a step back, you can undo or step backwards. These will become important later on once you start doing more and more complicated tasks or complicated actions. Then you'll want to rewind or take a step back. These ones here will be your best friend. Along with cut, copy, and paste, you can cut selected pieces of an image or an entire image itself or whatever. Either way, you'll be able to copy and paste a good deal of selected items. Once you start playing around with text, check spelling. That'd be another important thing to get used to. But like I was saying, we're not going to go over every single thing here. I'm only pointing out some of the more important elements that you should become familiar with. Image. This will play a great deal later on once we start editing images. Layers. Give us a whole bunch of options regarding layers, creating layers, copying layers, all that good stuff. Type, same thing. Good deal of type options for the type tool. Once we start working with the selection tools, we'll be using this a lot to select an entire area within a document and adjusting selected areas and all that good stuff. Filters, we'll be able to apply a good deal of filters to an image or a selected portion of an image. There are some 3D elements that are part of this application, some really interesting stuff. Viewing the image or viewing the document, how you view the document. For instance, zooming in, zooming out, fit the document to screen, zoom in, zoom out, fit to screen. Pretty straightforward. Window currently shows you the active panels, as you can see right there. Color is the panel located to the right hand side. Layers or layers panel. Properties, the options bar and the toolbar. And right here at the bottom shows us the currently active documents. See, we have task 2 and task 3. These two are currently open. I can switch from one document that is currently open to the other. And underneath Workspace, see right here, this will be our default workspace, meaning that you have a whole series of different workspaces that you can jump to, whether it's photography or painting. See, I'll jump to painting just to show you. So this is the painting workspace. Ours will be the default essentials workspace. So to ensure that you're working with the same interface, I'm going to have, anytime I'm running a demonstration, I'll have you set your workspace to Essentials Default. Other than that, that's primarily the main menu. A good deal of the other items, like I was saying, as the semester progresses, we'll start dealing more with the image layers and some of these other options that are available.